Hello, my name is Bobby, and today I am going to show you how to superscript and subscript. First, you need to highlight the text you want to superscript. Then you would go to the Home tab. There you'll have to find the font group, which then you will find the superscript button right underneath the font size and right to the left of the text effects and typography. This one right here. Then you click it and it would put it into the superscript. The superscript makes it to where whatever text you highlight and use it on, going up into a little box at the top of the text right next to it. Next, to find the subscript button, it is also in the Home tab. There you will have to find the font group. When you find the font group, you will have to put your cursor right next to the superscript, and that is where the subscript can be found. It is right here, right next to the strike through underneath the font size, right next to the superscript. But you'd also have to highlight the text that you want to use it on. When you use the subscript button, it will put the text you highlighted in a little box at the bottom of the text you highlighted. And that is all you have to know when you need the superscript and subscript.